Myself Bimlesh Kumar Singh going to teach you Newton's second law of motion. You know what is momentum? The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. How much motion is possessed by a body, that degree is given by momentum. Momentum is defined as product of mass and velocity. Its SI unit is kilogram meter per second. Now MV means final momentum. mu means initial momentum. mv minus mu means change in momentum. mv means final momentum. mu means initial momentum. mv minus mu means change in momentum. Now mv minus mu by t means rate of change of momentum. So as per Newton's second law of motion, which states that rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to applied force. This is Newton's second law of motion. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and motion takes place in the direction of the force. This is Newton's second law of motion. So we can write the exerted force proportional to mv minus mu by t, or F proportional to, here m is common, F proportional to m into v minus u by t, or F proportional to ma. As you know, v minus u by t equals to a, acceleration. So I can write F proportional to ma, or F equals to kma, where k is a constant. Now if F equals to 1 Newton, m equals to 1 kg, and a equals to 1 meter per second square. That means if 1 Newton of force is applied to a body of mass 1 kg and to produce an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, what will happen to this equation? 1 Newton equals to k into 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. That means k equals to 1. When k equals to 1, F equals to 1 into ma. That means F equals to ma. So this is the measurement of force. From Newton's second law of motion, we derive the measurement of force, that is F equals to ma. Force equals to mass into acceleration. But listen again, what is Newton's second law of motion? The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and motion takes place in the direction of the force. What do we get from Newton's second law of motion? From Newton's second law of motion, we get the definition of, we get the measurement of force. From Newton's second law of motion, we get the measurement of force. That's all for today.